How to use the BinaxNow COVID-19 test. Wash your hands and make sure they are dry before starting. Open the box. There are 2 tests in each box. Remove the test card from the wrapping. And make sure that the blue line is there in the window. If the blue line is not there, do not use this card. Open the card flat on the table and keep it flat for the whole test. Remove the dropper bottle cap. Hold the dropper straight over the top hole and place 6 drops in the top hole. Do not let the dropper touch the card. Open the swab package at the stick end and take the swab out. Insert the entire soft tip of the swab into a nostril. Rub the swab against the inside walls of your nostril, making 5 big circles. Do this for 15 seconds. Using the same swab, put it in your other nostril and do the same thing, making 5 big circles for 15 seconds. When you are done, insert the swab tip into the bottom hole on the test card. Push it in well until you can see it in the top hole. Keep the swab there and don't remove it. Turn the swab 3 times to mix it with the liquid. Peel the sticky line off the right side, being careful not to touch the card. Close the left side of the card over the swab. Press firmly on the right edge of the card to stick it together. Leave the card be and wait 15 minutes before reading the result. You must read the result between 15 and 30 minutes. If you read too soon or too late, your result will not be accurate. If COVID is not detected, there will only be 1 line in the window, and it will be pink or purple. Any kind of line, however small it is, below this 1 line means that COVID-19 was detected. All these are examples of a positive test result. After you're done, throw away all the used pieces and put them in the trash. If your test comes back positive, please call 802-863-7240 or TTY 802-863-7200. You can also speak to your doctor, who can talk to you about what to do next.